welcome to another video. So this video is gonna be spending weekend with me. Guess what? I feel like this is my first time starting a vlog. 6:45 a.m. and I'm gonna sleep back. I'm here just to do an intro, and after this I'm gonna sleep back. With all this World Cup game, we are in Asia, like basically in Malaysia. It's the opposite of everything. So our timing will be 1 a.m, 4 a.m, 7 a.m, 8:30 a.m. It's really crazy, and my timing is also off. This video is gonna be a short video. Typical, well, I won't say typical because World Cup doesn't happen every month or every day. This is just another weekend with me. It's gonna be a 3 days vlog. I'm starting today, Friday. Welcome to the vlog, guys. I'm gonna sleep and I'll see you guys later. Yay, no one in the gym. Yes, I can control this whole thing. Yeah. I'm gonna do a simple warm-up and then 5 minutes on the treadmill, and then we're gonna follow full body workout from Abby Champion. I love her workout. Got one more last workout and we're done. Making salad. I'm gonna add a bit of banzo beans, chickpea, my fiber or protein, using this one, and this sambal. Got this vinegar, add eggs, like all this. I feel like I put a bit too much of oil. Not bad. Parmesan. I think I should put Parmesan. Parmesan makes everything taste better. Nice. Success. Today I'm gonna use vitamin C. Night cream. This one you only just use a little bit like this. I'm gonna try to build this storage for my bags. It's been here for 2 weeks. I'm gonna do it right now. Took me a while to do this. Since I'm arranging my bag, I'm also gonna give you guys a bag haul. I just found out I got this bag. It's from Charles & Keith. This one is like ages, but it looks freaking good. They have the handle, but I don't know where's the handle. Maybe I can just mix and match. This one is my favorite bag. I bought this from a vendor friend, Malaysian small business owner. Love, 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 love. And then I got this bag. I got it from Japan. Love. This bag I got from Bangkok, but it's actually a local brand from Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh. I think I bought maybe 2 or 3 years ago, but it's still tagged. Good quality, guys. This brand, seriously good quality. My mom bought for me from China, and I just love the leather and everything. Got pockets. This is my walking bag. I use this. You just have to, like, you know, wrap it up on your hip or your waist. And I also got this bag. I think I got it from Penang, Patagonia. It's also a hiking bag. Wow, what the heck. I love like this type. It's like for hiking. It's nice and also waterproof. Oh my god. I got a lot of stuff. I'm going straight to the bigger bag. I love this bag so much. I got this maybe like 6 years ago from the brand No Bad Days. I got this bag as well. Got it from Penang, from a small business owner. Another vendor. They also have like dust bag. There's no zip, so what do? Put your dust bag and all your valuable things. You just put in the bag itself. Ta-da! Another bag. I love like this type of bag. A tracking bag, is it? They call this? I don't know. But I just love this one. I got it from Shopee and I use this throughout all my Japan trip. A lot of pockets so you can put your passport, phone, camera. And this type of functional bag, sis love. These bags are about for me from his trip Hanyai Naraya. It's a famous local Thai brand. He knows I love funky, so he gave me boom. This recent trip to Krabi, he bought me this one. It's seriously something different. Everything here is recycled, net or water bottle cover, giving fisherman bag. Pink color bag. I love this bag. I got this from Cotton On beach bag. This one I got from Next. Love, love, love. I got my green color bag. This is also one of my favorite bags. This one is from Bangkok. I got this bag a gift from Monica. This one is from Dubai. The brand Giving Movement. Love with my brand name Leyley, and the color is exactly my brand. I got this bag from Bunkus. It's also a local brand. I love the jacket. Also made from recycled material. As you can see, the material, how it's nice. I feel like my bag is getting lesser because recently I recycle a lot, which is good as well. This bag from Thailand, Bangkok. I love a tote bag, you know. This tote bag is from Duck. She wanted to give me a present. She gave me this bag as well. Thank you so much. It's another tote bag from Amsterdam. I love this bag so much. It's so difficult for me to give away, even though like, I got a lot of tote bags. I just feel like, no, I can't. Okay, I got this bag from Steve Maiden. I think about 3 years ago. Love it. Bougie AF. And the last, I got it from Korea. This one is my go-to bag from Melissa Hillman. It's another local brand. You can actually change the handle. Got one shorter one and another one is the longer one. This one also you can put a lot of stuff. Looks small, but it's good. That's all for my bag haul. Guys, another night watching Netherlands against Sweden. Yeah, supporting Netherlands all the way. Is so boring. I am so freaking sorry. I woke up late today because of course we watched the game last night, Netherlands against Sweden, and then Germany with Ivory Coast. I was so freaking tired, I tell you. Arranging part and cleaning, oh my god, exhausted. A lot of dust, right? I got a bit of allergy as well last night. It's currently 2. I need to do my eyebrows. I need to go for threading. I was thinking to go Wanutama for a while, and then I need to clean the house, and then I need to go and fetch my mom. Right now I'm gonna have my lunch, a quick lunch at my favorite place, Hala 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 Hala. I am hungry. Let's go. I think they are closing early today, so everyone is just like, you know, cleaning. So I'm a bit guilty, like shall I just dine in or take away? But one of the guys say it's fine, so I'm like, okay, then it's fine then. 101 rounds in Wanutama. Finally got a parking, man. Finally. No, 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 no. No, girl. I just got a slot. Okay, let's go. I think I kind of done. I mopped, I sweep, I changed the bed sheet. I kind of organized this area. All my files, work files, personal files, got rough paper as well. But anyways, I'm not sure whether I told you guys that I bought a freaking backpack from Shopee. I kind of like it, the color, and it's pretty long. That is one. What else? I need to go and fetch my mom. Yes, I'm pretty happy with this area. Looks very neat, right? So this one, I just leave it as such because I need to send it out so that it's easy. I just carry and then send it out to my accounts. This is like the best that I can do. I just don't want to buy stuff and organize it again. I'm just gonna make do of whatever that we have. I don't care if it doesn't look aesthetic. At least it is neat. You know, those were the days that I always tell myself my place have to be aesthetic. Then and yeah, I start vlogging and I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. But then when I think about it, for me to be like aesthetic, I will ended up not doing anything. Let's go.